70 years passed. Then the word moved again. The Lord stirred the spirit of a king. Cyrus spoke, and the decree went out. Let the house of the Lord be rebuilt. Let the captives return. A remnant rose and journeyed home, carrying vessels once taken. Foundations were laid and voices lifted, some with shouts, some with tears. Return, rebuild, remember what was broken would stand again. Opposition arose from nearby peoples, hands grew tired, hope wore thin, but the word of the Lord stood firm, and the work continued. The temple was completed, offerings were restored. The law was read aloud, and the people listened. Understanding returned. The walls were rebuilt in troubled times. Watchmen stood by night. Gates were set, the city secured, and joy followed obedience. Covenant was renewed, names were recorded. The people pledged again to walk in the ways of the Lord. What was scattered was gathered back.